The answer is in the video, so make sure you watch until the end. Did you know there's a hidden treasure buried beneath the ground at Disneyland? And no, we're not talking about pirate gold or fairy dust. We're talking about something real, mysterious, and carefully sealed away for decades. Welcome to the story of Disneyland's Time Castle. Back in 1995, Disneyland was celebrating a magical milestone, its 40th anniversary. To honor the occasion, Disney did something truly unforgettable. They buried a time capsule. But this wasn't just any time capsule. Officially named the Time Castle, it was placed near Sleeping Beauty Castle, right in the heart of the park. This sealed vault is set to be opened exactly 40 years later, on July 17, 2035, when Disneyland celebrates its 80th anniversary. So, what exactly is inside? The Time Castle holds a carefully chosen collection of mementos from 1995, a snapshot of Disneyland and the world at that time. Here are some of the items we know about. First, there are photos and newspapers from the era, giving us a peek into what life was like in the mid-90s. Expect headlines, Disney park updates, and perhaps even fan letters or snapshots of guests from opening day. Second, there is park memorabilia, from ride tickets to attraction guides, and maybe even some beloved souvenirs. These treasures were meant to capture the heart and soul of Disneyland as it was. And maybe the coolest of all, a genuine Indiana Jones decoder card. That's right. Just a few months before the time capsule was buried, Disneyland opened the Indiana Jones Adventure Ride. Fans could collect decoder cards to crack the hieroglyphics scattered throughout the attraction. Including one in the time castle was the perfect nod to one of the park's most thrilling new rides at the time. All of these items were sealed with one goal in mind: to give future generations a magical glimpse into the past. A living time machine hidden in plain sight. But why create a time castle at all? Because Disneyland isn't just a theme park. It's a living, breathing piece of history. It is constantly evolving, yet always grounded in the memories of those who walked its paths before. By the time the capsule is opened in 2035, entire generations of Disney fans will have passed through the gates. Some who remember the 1995 celebration may even be there to witness its grand reveal. It's a reminder that every visit, every photo, every churro eaten on Main Street is part of something bigger, a shared story, a timeless legacy. So next time you stroll past Sleeping Beauty Castle, take a moment to think about what's buried below. And maybe, just maybe, picture yourself there in 2035, when the secrets of the time castle are finally brought to light. Because at Disneyland, the magic isn't just in the rides, it's in the memories we leave behind. In case you are curious, there are currently 4,137 days left until the time capsule is opened. That is 11 years, 1 month, and 21 days. Subscribe to our channel to learn more intriguing facts.